Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party hak jela kabadan hak liang sensyar jong Sorkar MDA kala perngam Weng no ia kejeng ajeng Kyrshan ia NPP kablaya seno lang bat ke UDP YouTube Presiden jong Meghalaya State BJP uba Arnes Mauri hak kejeng kendu ubat kilat pathai kubor office trikam jong Kaseng BJP Nakalyang jong ba Arnes Mauri kum Presiden ulai itu bahdin jong kejingilang jong State Executive Committee balalong lashim ya karai bagi arngut ke MLA kibadon hak senrop sensyar ke MDA kide ben Weng no ia kejeng ajeng Kyrshan ia kenek Sorkar hak ini kejingilang kebalak penlong ki dkhot kila pensngo bagaseng kede ban ia karan ban penbailang bat uba sanbor Shulai bude MLA bat Menteri Ketenat Veterinary and Animal Husbandry bat rengkadru bat uba ALHEC itu uba Arnes Mauri Uba Mauri ulong ru bag jingyo thau Sorkar jong ke NPP bat ke UDP kede ke jinglum jong ke BJP bat de ke BJP ke balai kerteng Meghalaya Democratic Alliance.
In the State Executive Committee today, most of the party caricators, office bearer, district president, they have come to idea and suggestion even to withdraw from the government also. So you see, we are the one who take initiative to form this government, MDA, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. So before we withdraw support from the government, I have to sit with our both MLA representative, and we have to discuss together. And when we have come to conclusion whether to withdraw or to support, we have to write a letter to our central leader in Delhi. And they will give us the direction. That is the procedure where we have to follow. That is very clear. It is not that we'll take our own decision. Yeah, we have got the right to suggest them, and they will give us suggestion how to do with that decision.
But then Ajay Demanji, he also listened to that demand.
Yes, very much. He was there in the August house. He has heard about the demand of the majority of the party caricators, the members of the party, but he also has given the same statement. This matter has to be informed to the central leaders, and our Honorable National President, he will take a call and will advise us.
What is your opinion? You also are in favor of coming out of the government?
Yeah, actually, it is not my personal opinion. I have to sit with both the representative, Ba Yelhet and Ba Sanbor, and we have to discuss thoroughly in that meeting. Then we'll take a decision. Then we'll come to the press what decision we are taking.
But what is the real reason that you wanted to come out of the government?
You see, I think, if I'm not mistaken, we have pointed out about the corruption issue from time to time. That is not, some people think that maybe the BJP president and the BJP party, they want to take up this issue to get a mileage for the party. That is wrong. We want to correct. We want, why we win election after election, why the people give us mandate. Our main agenda is against corruption, zero tolerance for corruption. So that's why we win election after election. So this is the ideology of the party. First of all, we have taken the ground report of the organization from various districts. We have received the report from the in charge of the district about the function of the organization, right from the district level up to the polling booth level and the mandal committee also. And it's a nice report. We have received the report on their activities and what about the preparation for the coming election. And the Morcha head also, they have given their report and activities right from Kisan Morcha, Mahila Morcha and Yuba Morcha. Actually, we have stressed a very important point for the Mahila Morcha and the Yuba Morcha, because as you know, we as a party, we want to encourage and enlighten our young leaders, Yuba Marsha, and also the Mahila Marsha, to strengthen the party for this forthcoming election. 2018, some of the political party, which I don't want to name, they have made a propaganda against our party that we are anti-Christian and so on and so forth. But now, in this election, in this era, this time, people, they know about the BJP. People, they used to discuss about the BJP, about the good work done by our Honorable Prime Minister, like free ration, how Modi, people, they know now, even in the village, the remote area, they are talking about the scheme launched by our government, NDA government. In our state also, so many people, they avail this scheme. So it is a big difference. So now people have accepted the BJP. Even, some party, they have still giving the proper agenda. Anti-party mean against us. But this time, I think people, they are aware in this IT age, no? With the social media and Instagram and Facebook, Twitter, people, they know about the good work of the BJP. So acceptation, and now there's no more that thing. People, they accept the BJP, even in the rural area also. You see, Ajay Jamalji is the head of the organization. He has given us so many suggestions how to make a strategy to win election, and how to complete the formation of the structure of the party according to our constitution. Since he's ahead of that, he's under him. So he has given a lot of enlightenment and encouraging the party cricketers, the office bearers, the district president to work hard and to go to the people to highlight about the ongoing scheme which sponsored by our government from center. Because till today, people, some of the people, they are not aware about all this scheme, central scheme, like PMAY, Prime Minister Awas Yojana, to provide a low-cost house to the poor. And we are very keen that we want to implement this Ayushman Bharat, where one citizen, the people, they will get that card, smart card, for the treatment. That also is a big amount, 5 lakh rupees. They will avail that scheme. And so many schemes. Because you see the idea of the BJP, Antodia. Antodia means to the last person. So whatever scheme we implement, we want that it should go to the grassroots, to the last person, to the poor or poorest. We want that they should avail the scheme launched by our BJP government under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. We have received the complaint from various district president and the district in charge related with the ongoing sponsor central scheme. Like a few examples, PMGSY scheme, and about this PM Kisan Nidhi scheme, Jal Jeevan Mission, and other scheme, which already they have highlighted in front of in the floor of the house. They have highlighted that there is a lot of irregularities on implementing this scheme in various places, especially in the rural. So from the party, we have taken a decision that we will relook again and we'll try to make an inquiry to different district and different mandal to look on this ongoing scheme, central sponsor scheme. Why? Because we have received a lot of report that it is not implemented in the right way. Today we are having the State Executive Committee meeting in the presence of our General Secretary Organization in charge of Northeast, Mr. Ajay Jambalji, and the Honorable Minister, Cabinet Minister, Sanbor Shulai also is attending the State Executive Committee today, and all the state office bearer, and all the state executive member of the party, and all the district president, and the Morsha head, right from the Kisan Morsha, the Yuba Morsha, Mahila Morsha, ST Morsha, and Minority Morsha. So they have come to attend the meeting of today. Shillong City, almost 4 seats we have already highlight, and in the East Khasi Hill, the potential seat for us, this Mausuram, Shira, Sora, Pundosna, and in Jaintia Hills also we have already discussed, is going on, East Jaintia Hills district, both the constituency we are going to contest, and Joai, Nongialam. So even Amlarem also, we are underway. We are doing the survey, and we will set up the candidate. So at present, till today, in the A category, where we are having a chance to winnability candidate. Already we have selected 15 seats, and 10 seats it is under B category. Then we have under 10 seats in the D category. So in this sequence, we have almost 35 seats now ready for election. And we have to prepare the report and send to our central leader.
Coming to the election, what is the plan? Are you contesting all the 60 seats?
Out of 60 seats, we are in BJP, we are calling Mandal. Till today, 36 Mandal, it is on the full-fledged Mandal. Whereas the party, we are ready for the election. The rest, few Mandal, again we are going to constitute. Like for your information, on the 28th of this month, there will be a mass gathering in Mawati constituency. We are expecting of more than 5,000 people to join our party along with the aspirant candidate. So it is a good news. We are taking initiative to form this mandal and will contest from the constituency. Our door is open. Anybody can join us. We are welcome. Even I have seen in some section of the press the statement of our Honorable MLA from 16 East Shillong, Kong Amperin Dingdo. She has given a statement that, I don't know exactly, she has given a statement that if the BJP may invite her, she is ready to contest from our ticket. We welcome this step because I know the Kong Amperin also, she wants to focus about the development for the constituency as a whole for the state. Because she's a leader, she's a MLA. So we don't have any issue. We are welcome if he is willing to join us.